find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so we have to figure out what kind of quadrilateral it is, and they give us the clue with the right angles. It's a rectangle, so very straightforward, base times height. So, or if you want to call it length times width. So we just plug in the two numbers. And now 7 1/4 is the same as 7.25. So multiply those together, and that gives us area equals 79.75. And since we get units, we make it centimeters squared. Now this next figure, a trapezoid, so we have to remember the formula for the trapezoid. It's 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height, so that's the area of a trapezoid. Okay, so we want to plug in the information that we have in the picture. And it doesn't matter which one is base 1 and which one is base 2. We can pick to call the numbers how we want. So let's just call the bottom base base 1, so 3.5 plus 8.5 times the height. And by the height we mean the height that's exactly perpendicular to the base, and that would be the 6. Okay, so simplify the stuff in the parentheses. So we have 1/2 times 3.5 plus 8.5 gives us 12 times 6. So multiply those together, and that gives us area equals 36. And again, it's meters, so meters squared. Okay, this next shape is a parallelogram. The reason we know that is because they show us that opposite sides are parallel. So that's a very good clue right there. So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Okay, and again, the height refers to the height that's perpendicular to the base. So in this case, we only have one option, but sometimes they give us a lot of information, so depending on which base you pick, you have to pick the appropriate height. But in this case, we only have one height given to us, so we have to pick the right base, and the base here is 9.5. So base and height. Okay, so let's just plug it in. 9.5 times 4. So the answer to that is 38. And this time we have inches, so inches squared.